So you might be trying to figure out and fix Apple Music Replay if for some reason Replay is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you'll have to make sure that you have an Apple Music account. If you do not have an Apple Music account, that is probably going to be the main reason why you might run into this type of problem. So go through, make sure you don't have make sure you do have an Apple Music account, and make sure you're logged in with that appropriate account. If you're going and trying and go into the Apple Music app and it's not showing up there, you can always make your way over into your Safari browser, internet browser, whatever you have, and you can always go to the website portion, replay.music.apple.com. You can always make your way over to that particular website, and that might end up showing you your replay as well. You'll come into a page like this. You can tap on jump in. It's going to tell you to log in. You could try that way. Now, another big thing, this is going to be coming out in a rolling basis. Replay might not be available for everybody just yet, so you might have to wait out a little bit of time before it's available for everybody. So if you're in Apple Music and let's say you don't see that little banner or you don't see a little option that shows you your replay, well, you might have to go through and just wait out until it eventually comes up. I think if you search for it, it also doesn't really come up. If I click on Replay 2025, you can see it doesn't really come up. But that is an option you can kind of do. Is you can just wait for it to officially come up. You can try restarting your phone. That's another thing. Maybe it'll show up if you do that. But those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button. That would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.